How to fix this item is not available in your country in your Google Play Store. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can fix this item is not available in your country in Google Play Store. If you are encountering this item is not available in your country or reason message on the Google Play Store, here are several methods to potentially resolve this issue. So first of all, you have to ensure your Google account is set to the correct countries. You can check this on Google Payment. Just go and sign up to your Google Payment here. Just go here and here you have to check your country. So you have to check your country that you have set the correct country or not. Also, you can go for the device setting. On your device setting, you have to just scroll down and go for your app here. Also, you can navigate to your icon of the app info of your Google Play Store. Just clear the cache here. So after clearing the cache here, which will reset the Google Play Store. So you can also clear the data and it may help you to fix some bugs related to it. Also you can simply restart or reboot your device. Also you can go to your setting and on your setting you have to just go and search for the language and input here. So once you have searched for the language and input, you have to add a new language that corresponds to your region or you can switch if available here. So you have to make sure that. So while creating a new Google account, you can set a country there. So by following this step, you shall be able to resolve the issues and access the app you needed. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.